So, anong dapat abangan, anong kailangan dapat abangan dito sa Burlesque?
Kailangan yung abangan yung storya.
Yes.
Hindi lang kami, pero yung storya talaga napakaganda dahil written yan by our national artist, Sir Ricky Lee.
Yes, and this is actually like super unique na movie also. And yeah, kabang talaga kasi super ganda nitong pelikula. So, yeah.
It's not your typical Viva Max movie
yeah.
na you will see on the apps. This is theatrical and I feel
Yes.
like pwede siyang isali sa mga
International films.
Mas curious na lang po dito, Celestina Burlesque dancer, now showing in Celestina.
One, two.
Celestina Burlesque Dancer, now showing in cinemas nationwide.
Anong pakiramdam kayo yung second VMX movie na ipapalabas sa big screen?
We're very grateful.
Very grateful.
Yes, we are. And happy kami na we were able to do this film. And mas show namin also yung talent namin. Hindi lang sa pagpapasexy, but the story itself nitong movie, it's really a beautiful story.
And yan yung relevance talaga ng story, no?
The relevance of the story. Tsaka, it's a film about love kasi. It's a, marami kang mapupulot na aral
Yes.
tungkol sa pagmamahal. Yeah.
Very excited to watch yourself on
Yes.
big screen.
Yes.
Very excited kasi kahit kami hindi pa namin napapanood.
Yes, so
So, hindi ako makatulog kagabi kasi, yun, gusto ko na pumunta dito. I wanna watch
even
na.
me. Yeah.
Expect from you more sexy scene or intimate scene or more on drama.
More sexy, but then you will
yes.
see the drama side
The
of it.
drama, yeah.
It's very serious so maganda talaga siya. I guess you can see it for yourself.
Thank you.